Hi, in this video, let's talk about another very interesting and popular Google interview question. And it's called Find the Maximum Connected Colors. So in here, we have a grid in which we have this integers and that represents a pixel value such color that and we are asked to find the colors that are the number of colors number of same colors that are linked with each other vertically or horizontally, but not oblique the ones on the oblique directions. So in this case, when we starting at this position, we are pointing to this integer 1, and we can only check the horizontal ones 0 and 2 and vertical ones 0 and 1, but not the oblique directional positions such as 0 in here, 1 in here, 2 in here, and 1 in here. All right, so in this graph, if you are trying to find the connected colors, it's going to be this one, 1 and 1 and 1 and 1 and 1. So the count would be 5, and these are the nodes that we should return. All right, so without further ado, let's write our solution. So first, we need to declare a function, and let's call it find max color. All right, and then what we can do is we pass in the grid. Okay, next then we should declare a max count equals to 0 first, and then we can write a for loop that's going to use the row number first equals to 0 row number. So it's a double for loop, so we can iterate through every element inside this grid, this 2D array. So row number is supposed to be smaller than the grid. Okay. Okay, in here we will write another for loop. That's for the column. So at column number equals to 0. Okay, go in the row number. All right. So also should be keep going. Must be. All right. So in here, let's invoke a function that's going to start the count. But yeah, why not? Let's just do something like count equals to count connected color. Then we need to pass a series of input parameters. So let's think the first we need the grid to be passed in. Second, we need the row num. We need the column num. We also need the current value. So we have our target integer in here. So passing the current value that we are pointing to, and then we also need a result, right? I think we need a result, of course. Let's declare here result should be empty, right? So we will push in all the connected values inside this array and return it as result. So in here we can start write our function for the count connected color, and it's great. First row number. These variables can stay. The naming can stay the same, and this one we will rename it as target color, and the results stay the same. We also need a visited stack. So visited should be an array if we didn't pass any parameters inside. So this is going to be the initialization. All right. So the first thing we do is okay, if to check some beginning parameters. So the obvious one would be to check our grid at is it equals to the our target color? All right. If true, then means that we should continue. But let's check the case when it's not true. All right. Yeah, let's check this case, I think. So if this is the case, we return 0, and else we should we don't need to put it else here, but else we should pass in the visited and say that this row num and column num should be equals to true, right? So in here, in case that we didn't use a row number that's didn't initialize, meaning that if it's undefined, then this will return us an error. So first thing we do in here should be say something like visited row num. Okay. If it's undefined, then we initialize this place position with empty array. So this will return true, okay? And the result should be push the current value inside. So let's pass in template string here. Row should be row num. Column should be column num. And yeah, so then we can return 1 plus can't connected color. So we will run this function recursively, passing the grid, passing the row number. So horizontally, well, not vertically, it's going to be like this. This is up, column num stayed the same, grid passing the target color here, result stayed the same, visited stayed the same. Yeah, okay, we can pass this down here first, and copy this part 3 times. All right. So horizontally, also -1. That's going to be the up. This is going to be the bottom, and this is going to be the right. This is going to be the left. So in here we can also say plus, plus, plus. Okay, very clean, right? Very clean. Okay, so here is the problem. So run row number and column num. If we blindly add them together, we need to check in here, right? Check if make sure that this is a valid input, whatever row number we are trying to call our can't connected color at. So in here we just add the checking. So if row number is smaller than 0, invalid. So return 0. Okay, makes sense. If row number is okay, it's bigger or equals to input array. Sorry. Okay, great. Okay, that allows. Okay, this should be another case. And if column num is smaller than 0, also should be a case that we should avoid. Okay. And column name should be if it's bigger than grid at our row number. Okay. Okay, I think this check is okay. So let's check the visited. Okay, we had declared it. Yeah, we need to also check if we have visited this current position. So it's going to be row num plus column num. So if it's visited, then we return 0. Okay. Yeah, I think that would be enough. So, yeah, I think we are almost finished. And after this count is returned, we will have our result also being updated, right? Because we're passing the reference to our count connected color. So we can then check if our count is bigger than the max count. Alright, if it is, then max count should be equals to the count. Yeah, let's declare another variable called final result. Let's use a string called something like no connected, maybe not upper string, no connected colors are found. Okay. Let's just leave it like that, and we will update the final result with our result. And by the end of this for block, our solution will be obtained, so we can then return our final result. Yes, finally, I think our application is finished. So in here, let's just run node find max connected colors. Yeah, we need to console.log the output passing the grid. As you can see, our result is yeah, has been obtained. It's going to be a 5 count of 5, and starting with row 1 column 1, row 2 column 1, row 2 column 2 3, and row 1 column 3. Ah, perfect. So this is typically how we can write a function to find the maximum connected colors. So thank you for watching.